eChallan.app Complete Application Walkthrough. Most fleet owners today lose money not because of fuel or drivers, but because of unnoticed challans, pending court cases, delayed renewals, and agent-driven processes with no real-time visibility. These issues lead to insurance rejection, penalties, vehicle seizure, and operational downtime. eChallan.app solves this by digitizing fleet compliance through two dedicated modules, Challan Management and Renewal Automation, both powered by real-time, government-verified data. Challan Management page. This is the Challan Management section, directly connected to government NIC servers, the same source used by Parivahan and state enforcement systems. On the top dashboard, you can see total vehicles, total challans and total challan amount. Breakup weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, and till date. All data is live, accurate, and auditable. In the table section, you get a vehicle-wise challan summary, online challans, court challans, total challan amount per vehicle. Click View to see complete challan details including offense, date, authority, and court status. To add a vehicle, simply click Add Vehicle, enter the registration number, and the system fetches all challan data in real time from government databases. No OTP and no manual entry. Using the export option, challan data can be downloaded in Excel format for finance, MIS, audits, and legal review. Renewal Automation page. This is the Renewal Automation section, built to manage vehicle validity, expiry, and renewal execution. At the top, renewal cards show fleet-wide expiry status, expiring in 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, 1 year. Expired vehicles. Click the Show icon to view complete vehicle-wise expiry details, which can also be exported to Excel for budgeting, compliance planning, and insurance coordination. In the table section, you can see vehicle-wise validity for fitness state permit, national permit, insurance park along with challan indicators. This gives management a single glance view for budgeting, because if challans are pending, fitness renewal cannot be processed legally. Service ordering or execution for renewals such as fitness, state permit, or national permit, the process works like an e-commerce platform. You will see an Assign button. Click Assign View Service-wise Pricing. Confirm the service. The amount is automatically deducted from your wallet. Once assigned, click Status to track progress in real time. Document received. RTO submission. Inspection completed. Approval received. Completion within defined that this ensures full transparency, accountability, and performance tracking. API integration, enterprise ready. eChallan.app can be integrated with your existing systems in just a few minutes. From the dashboard, you get API keys, API documentation, ready to use endpoints. Both challan management and renewal automation are fully API enabled. With eChallan.app, fleet compliance is no longer agent controlled or manual.